Hello everyone. This is going to a YouTube short where I explain how I got this internship opportunity. This is a US based company. It's a startup actually. It offers financial services. It's a fintech company. This internship was for 3 months, as you can see over here, 3 months, and it's of uh, the the stipend is 4,000 INR, and it's a Python web internship. And this was the screening task it was given to me. We had to it's the screening task is uh, basically we have to write a Python script which fetches news from the Nasdaq website. uh, like there's a s- s- if the user gives input that give me the news of Microsoft, that it will give the code word MSFT. Then Python script should fetch the news from the Nasdaq website that is related to Microsoft, and store it in the uh, cache cache re- uh, the cache is called Redis. It's a database which cache database, you can say. It stores the data temporarily, and it should run as a Docker. And we also have to run this program so that the uh, API calls are non-blocking. That means it should be a background process, and all the API calls should be put in a queue. Like if I make a multiple my inputs, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, then one by one it all the requests should be added to the queue, and one by one the operation will go on. It will fetch the data, it will store it, it should go on in the background. My program should not stop for one operation to happen and not only then the next will run. It should be asynchronous, I think. So I did the screening test, and fortunately uh, they liked I submitted a go. They liked my solution. There were some problems that I had to fix. I could not implement the Docker part. I ran Redis locally. So tomorrow is the meeting. It will be a personal interview. It will be of half an hour. So I'm really excited for it. This opportunity I got it from LinkedIn. Let me show you the opportunity that I got. Post, sorry, jobs. Then my jobs. This was the job listing. The start. This is the company. It is in stealth mode. I don't know why it is stealth mode, but the company's name is Dendrite AI. So yeah, if you Satya Saste, I think that's how it's pronounced. PhD from Harvard, maybe. Oregon, USA. Founder JP Morgan Chase. All legit, all highly qualified. Uh, 100% flexible working hours, pre-final year, proficient in Python, Flask, SQL, Docker, Unix. So I'm excited to work on this. I'm really happy to get this opportunity. You can get more such opportunities in LinkedIn too. Just try to apply, keep hustling. Peace out.